May I have your lordship's leave to commence the proceedings?
Yes.
May I have your lordship's leave to read out the notifications issued by the Joint Secretary to the Government of India, Ministry of Law and Justice, Department of Justice, Appointment Division?
Yes.
To be published in the Gazette of India, Part 1, Section 2, F.number.K.13015 by 02 by 2025 dash US dot Roman 2 within bracket Roman 1. Government of India, Ministry of Law and Justice, Department of Justice, Appointment Division, Jaisalmer House, 26 Man Singh Road, New Delhi 110011, dated 8th August 2025. Notification. In exercise of the power conferred by Clause 1 of Article 217 of the Constitution of India, the President is pleased to appoint Shri Justices Partha Sarathi Sen and Apurba Sinha, additional judges of the Calcutta High Court, to be judges of that High Court with effect from the date they assume charge of their respective offices. Signed by Jagannath Srinivasan, Joint Secretary to the Government of India. May I have your lordship's leave to read out the authorization made by His Excellency the Honorable Governor of West Bengal in favor of the Honorable the Chief Justice High Court at Calcutta?
Yes.
Governor of West Bengal, order. By virtue of the power vested in me by Article 219 of the Constitution of India, I, Dr. C.V. Ananda Bose, Governor of West Bengal, do hereby appoint Sri T.S. Shivagyanam, the Honorable Chief Justice of Calcutta High Court, or any other senior-most judge of Calcutta High Court, before whom Sri Justice Partha Sarathi Sen and Sri Justice Apurba Sinha shall make and subscribe an oath or affirmation according to the form set out for the purpose in Schedule 3 of the Constitution of India before entering their offices of the permanent judges of Calcutta High Court. Signed by Dr. C.V. Ananda Bose, dated 12th August 2025. May I have your lordship's leave to read out the warrant of appointment issued by Her Excellency, the President of India, to appoint Justice Partha Sarathi Sen, additional judge of the Calcutta High Court, to be a judge of the Calcutta High Court?
Yes.
By virtue of the power vested in me by Clause 1 of Article 217 of the Constitution of India, I, Draupadi Murmu, President of India, do hereby appoint Sri Justice Partha Sarathi Sen, additional judge of the Calcutta High Court, to be a judge of the Calcutta High Court with effect from the date he assumes charge of his office, given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, this 7th day of August in the year 2025, 16th Shravan, 1947, Shaka, in the 76th year of the Republic of India. Signed by President of India. May I have your lordship's leave to read out the warrant of appointment issued by Her Excellency the President of India to appoint Justice Apurba Sinha, additional judge of the Calcutta High Court, to be a judge of the Calcutta High Court?
Yes.
By virtue of the power vested in me by Clause 1 of Article 217 of the Constitution of India, I, Draupadi Murmu, President of India, do hereby appoint Sri Justice Apurba Sinha, additional judge of the Calcutta High Court, to be a judge of the Calcutta High Court with effect from the date he assumes charge of his office, given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, this 7th day of August in the year 2025, 16th Shravan, 1947, Saka, in the 76th year of Republic of India. Signed by President of India. May I now most humbly request the Honorable Chief Justice to administer oath of office to Honorable Justice Partha Sarathi Sen as Judge of the Honorable High Court at Calcutta.
I,
Partha Sarathi Sen,
having been appointed as Judge of the High Court at Calcutta, having been appointed as judge of the High Court at Calcutta,
do swear in the name of God
do swear in the name of God
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will duly and faithfully,
that I will duly and faithfully,
and to the best of my ability, knowledge, and judgment,
and to the best of my ability, knowledge, and judgment,
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will,
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection, or ill will,
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
Sign on here and date 26th today.
Twenty-sixth.
May I now most humbly request the Honorable Chief Justice to administer oath of office to Honorable Justice Apurba Sinha Roy as Judge of the Honorable High Court at Calcutta.
I,
Apurba Sinha Roy,
having been appointed as Judge of the High Court at Calcutta,
having been appointed as Judge of the High Court at Calcutta,
do swear in the name of God
do swear in the name of God
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will duly and faithfully,
that I duly and faithfully,
and to the best of my ability, knowledge, and judgment,
and to the best of my ability, knowledge, and judgment,
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will,
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection, or ill will,
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
May I request the learned Deputy Solicitor General to deliver his speech?
On being authorized by the learned Additional Solicitor General of India, Calcutta High Court, I extend my warmest greetings to my Lord, the Honorable Chief Justice, the Honorable Judges of this Honorable Court. I extend my heartfelt greetings to the Additional Solicitor General, the learned Advocate General, my counterpart, the Deputy Solicitor General, members of the Registry, the President and Secretary of the Bar Association, the President and Secretary of the Bar Library, the President and Secretary of the Incorporated Law Society. I also extend my greetings to the learned members of my fraternity. Today we have gathered for the swearing-in ceremony of My Lord Justice Partha Sarathi Sen and My Lord Justice Apurba Sinha as permanent judges of this Honorable Court, who had been elevated as additional judges of this Honorable Court on August 31st, 2022, and had been the dispensers of justice in this Honorable Court since then. My lords have risen through the ranks of district and subordinate judiciary by the dint of their hard work, determination, and true grit to find a place of pride in Indian judicial system. My lords have a ground-level understanding of problems that besets a common man who seeks justice. They truly are jewels who have contributed and would continue to contribute greatly to the growth of our Honorable High Court. My Lord Justice Sen and My Lord Justice Sinha, while deciding matters, have always acted passionately with confidence, firmness, and clarity. I have always enjoyed appearing and arguing matters before my Lords Justice Sen and My Lord Justice Sinha, who not only have a deep knowledge of law, but also have the ability to quickly comprehend and judge a case, which is a rare quality. I, on behalf of the learned Additional Solicitor General, my counterpart, the learned Deputy Solicitor General, myself, and all the learned counsels representing the Union of India before this Honorable Court, convey my best wishes to Justice Sen and Justice Sinha on becoming the permanent judges of this preeminent High Court. I end my speech with my gratitude to all. Jai Hind.
May I request the Vice President, Bar Library Club, to deliver his speech?
Honorable Chief Justice, Honorable Judges, learned Deputy Solicitor General, office bearers of the three wings of the bar, members of the registry, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the Bar Library Club, I take great pleasure in celebrating the appointment of Justice Partha Sarathi Sen and Justice Apurba Sinha as judges of our Honorable Court. We have all been appearing before your lordships for quite some time. This change of nomenclature, to us at least, is a formality that is carried out by the appropriate authorities. We are happy and proud at this turn of events. It is indirectly a solemn recognition. They say time and tide wait for no man. So too dispensation of justice. So many judges have been appointed and have retired, but the institution survives and stands strong and upright. It is our bounden duty to see that the pillars of the High Court stand firm and protected. We, the bar and the bench, who constitute one giant family, have our individual roles to play. Our existence, though minuscule, is no less important. But just as every drop of water makes an ocean, every member of this High Court should be diligent to ensure that the High Court flag flies high. Justice Sen and Justice Sinha, we are here with you, behind you, besides you, and we will always report our cooperation and support. May your respective tenures be filled with sunshine, flowers, smiles, and lots of judgments. I'm grateful.
May I request the Secretary, Bar Association, to deliver his speech?
My Lord, Honorable Chief Justice, my lords, my ladyships, learned Deputy Solicitor General, learned senior members present here, learned registry, and the family members of Justice Sen and Justice Sinha. We have assembled here. I want to use the word not to felicitate, but to acknowledge the formative year of Justice Sen and Justice Sinha. Honorable Justice Partha Sarathi Sen was born on July 3rd, 1969, into a family of lawyers. Both the father and uncle of Justice Sen was practicing advocate at the learned City Civil Court at Calcutta, and his paternal granduncle was the practicing advocate of learned Metropolitan Magistrates Court, Calcutta. Justice Sen did his schooling from Scottish Church College School and college from Keshav Chandra College, Calcutta, and had graduated in law from the North Bengal University after studying at Jalpaiguri Law College. Justice Sen was enrolled as an advocate in the year 1994 and had practiced as an advocate in the learned City Civil Court at Calcutta. Justice Sen thereafter joined at the district recruitment to the cadre of district judge in the year 2009, and after adorning the chairs of district judge of Malda, Howrah, Birbhum, Purba Midnapur, Purba Bardhaman, Chief Judge City Session Court, Calcutta, Principal Secretaries of Law and Judicial Department, Government of West Bengal, and in charge of the Legal Remembrancer, Government of West Bengal, was elevated to this bench of the Honorable High Court as an additional judge on August 31st, 2022. Justice Sen has been discharging his responsibility of being an additional judge of this august institution with his lordship's adorable smile and valor, which makes Justice Sen the judge he is, and we, the members of the Bar Association, wish him all success in the years to come. Honorable Justice Apurba Sinha, born on 25th of November 1964, to late lamented Sukumar Sinha, learned advocate and the former president of the Bar Association, Howrah, and late Urmila Sinha, had graduated in law from Department of Law, Calcutta University, and postgraduated in law from the University of Calcutta, and was ranked first in the order of merit. After a short stint in practice as an advocate, Justice Sinha joined the West Bengal Judicial Service in the year 1996. Justice Sinha was promoted to the cadre of district judge in the year 2011 and had adorned the chair of the district judge Bankura, Register of the Honorable Court, and the member secretary of the Mediation and Conciliation Committee, High Court, Calcutta. Justice Sinha was elevated to the additional judge of this Honorable Court on August 31st, 2022. Justice Sinha has been a prolific writer with his articles published in various journals, and a very charming judge who have taken the stride to popularize the alternative method of resolution of disputes through mediation and conciliation. Initially, my lords have been felicitated. Bar has seen the honorable judges the formative year of their work and career. It is true that the bar is not to judge, bar is to acknowledge. I believe your lordships will able to discharge their functions courteously, patiently, impartially, and fearlessly. We, the members of the Bar Association, wishing them all success in the years to come, and may Thakur Anukul Chandra bless one and all. We hope and believe that the stint of both Justice Sen and Justice Sinha as the honorable judges of this august institution would be cherished by one and all. We, the members of the Bar Association, pleased to render all possible assistance to your lordships for dispensation of justice. On behalf of the members of one of the largest bar association of the country and for myself, I congratulate both the honorable judges for being appointed as permanent judge of this honorable court. Thank you.
May I request the Vice President, Incorporated Law Society, to deliver his speech.
My Lord the Chief Justice, my Lords, the Deputy Solicitor General present in court, the members and office bearers of the three wings of the bar, the members of the registry, the family members of the learned judges present in court, my Lord Justice Partha Sarathi Sen and Justice Apurba Sinha, on behalf of the members of the Incorporated Law Society, I would like to extend a very warm welcome to both of you on your confirmation as a permanent judges of this Honorable Court. This recognition, though belated, is a significant milestone and a testament to your dedication to law and your ability and commitment to dispense justice as judges of this Honorable Court. We are once again delighted to welcome you both as permanent judges to this esteemed institution and assure you about the members' utmost confidence in your abilities to uphold the principles of justice. We offer our sincere congratulations and wish you a fulfilling and impactful career on the bench. My lords.
May I now most humbly request the Honorable Justice Partha Sarathi Sen to address the House.
The Honorable the Chief Justice, my esteemed sisters and brothers on the bench, learned Deputy Solicitor General of India, learned presidents, vice presidents, and secretaries of the three wings of the bar, learned members of the registry, learned senior advocates, and learned advocates present in this courtroom, learned members of the bar, my wife Srimati Minati Sen, my daughter Ms. Shrita Sen, my family members who are present today in this courtroom, my supporting staff of this court, ladies and gentlemen. A very good morning to you all. On this special day, at the very outset, I must say that I'm grateful to Almighty for bestowing His blessings upon me. I would like to convey my deepest gratitude to the honorable members of the Collegium of the Honorable Supreme Court of India for recommending my name as a permanent judge of this esteemed High Court. I convey my gratitude to the honorable consulting judges of the Honorable Supreme Court of India for giving their kind views for making a favorable recommendation by the Collegium of the Honorable Supreme Court. I convey my gratitude and sincere thanks to the Honorable the Chief Justice of this High Court for his Lordship's wholehearted support, cooperation, guidance since the very first day of my elevation, without which probably I could not achieve this position. I convey my gratitude and thanks to the other members of the Collegium of this High Court for their recommendation for appointing me as a permanent judge of this High Court. I express my sincere gratitude to all the senior judges of this High Court with whom I shared bench in division for their able guidance, which helped me to a great extent. At this juncture, I would like to recollect the role of my parents for giving a good lesson in my childhood days. My father, Sri Radhakanto Sen, is now aged about 94 years and was a practicing advocate at the City Civil Court at Calcutta. It is because of his teaching in the field of law during my days of practice undoubtedly shaped me into what I am today. Today, I remember my mother, late Geeta Sen, who had passed away just few months before my elevation. I have no hesitation to say before this August gathering that whatever moral values I have learned, I've learned from her. I must not forget the role of my wife in my life. Without her support, sacrifice, and cooperation, I could not have been able to achieve my position as on this day. I must not be hesitant to take the name of my daughter, Ms. Shrita Sen, since she also took a leading part to lead my life in a peaceful and joyful manner. I am thankful to my supporting staff who worked with me at court as well as in my chamber, since they also played a significant role in my life as a judge and in dispensation of justice from the very first day of my elevation as a judge of this High Court. I convey my thanks to my friends, relatives, neighbors, brothers and sisters of the District Judiciary of West Bengal, and all wishers for constantly encouraging me and helping me and my family in all spheres. Last but not the least, I would convey my gratitude and thanks to each and every member of the three wings of the bar of this High Court for their wholehearted support, cooperation, and sharing their prudence, which enriched me a lot. I sincerely hope that in the future also I shall get the same support and cooperation from the learned members of the bar. Thank you. Jai Hind.
May I now most humbly request the Honorable Justice Apurba Sinha Roy to address the House.
Honorable Lord the Chief Justice of High Court, Calcutta, honorable judges on the dais and also on the virtual mode, learned Additional Solicitor General, learned Deputy Solicitor General, the learned President and Secretary of the Bar Library Club, the learned President and Secretary of the Bar Association, the learned Vice President and Secretary of the Incorporated Law Society, learned advocates, my brothers and sisters in the registry, beloved staff of this court, my wife Riddhi, daughter Annapurna, son Abhirup, my elder sister Srimati Krishna Sinha and her husband Sri Vidyut Sinha, and my another sister Shivani Ghosh, Oishrup, Nilanjana, and Master Devopratim. A very good morning to all of you. At the very beginning of my address, I would like to offer my respectful pranam to the lotus feet of my love lord, Sri Thakur Anukulo Chandra and Sri Acharya Dev of Satsang Devghar, Sri Arkoduti Chakraborty, on this one of the most important days in my life. I convey my deepest gratitude to the Honorable Chief Justice of the High Court, Calcutta, and all my brother and sister judges of this court for their constant support and guidance. A special thanks to Justice Arijit Banerjee, with whom I shared the division bench most of the time. His lordship's whispers still linger in my ears. Dada, please write judgments as much as you can. Otherwise, I realize this word otherwise in a scary voice means a lot. Today, I express sincere gratitude to Justice Banerjee. My two college friends, who are now in the category of the senior most judges of this Honorable High Court, Justice Soumen Sen and Justice Tapobrata Chakraborty, are my constant source of inspiration. I also convey my heartfelt thanks to all the members of the bar for giving me full cooperation in running the bench. I am also grateful to the members of the registry, staff of this Honorable Court, my personal assistant Minu, law clerk Rumela, and other staff of my office. I also convey my thanks to the members of my family and relatives for their unstinted support. I offer pranam to the feet of my late parents, Sukumar Sinha Ray and Urmila Sinha Ray, who would have been the proudest couple at this moment had they been alive today. When I was about to take the oath as an additional judge of this Honorable Court on 31st August 2022, my sir, the Venerable Pashupati Datto, who is no more now, told me, Apurba, please remember, with God's blessings, the judgment seat on which you are going to sit today as a judge of the High Court was once upon a time adorned by Sir Ashutosh Mukherjee. I always remember this caution of my sir and want to remember this till I demit the office. I seek blessings from all senior judges, advocates, and also good wishes from my esteemed colleagues and friends, including my dearest friend, Dr. Justice Ajoy Kumar Mukherjee, so that I can carry out the duties entrusted upon me faithfully and can rise up to the expectation of all. Thank you very much.
May I have the leave of your lordship to declare the proceedings as concluded? The proceedings are hereby declared to be concluded.